What's going on, everybody? I'm coming to you with another exercise for the mid part of the back so we can try to relieve a lot of the tension that's going on and start the strengthening. All right, so I got Dr. Jordan here. We're just gonna do some simple rows to help with scapular control and also just get this mid back stronger, all right? So what I have to do just to show you what it looks like, I'm having him engage his scapulas. Go ahead. So now you're pulling your shoulder blades back towards yourself and squeezing those shoulder blades as hard as you can. Good. Now from there, I'm gonna have him pull the bands back to him at a 90-degree angle and hold there so he can feel all of this engagement through his upper part of his back all the way down to the mid part of his back. All right. So try one more time, Dr. Jordan, here, and then go. With this exercise, always keeping your core engaged. If you want to make this exercise even harder, you can drop down into a squat if you wanted to. You can drop down into a lunge and do this exercise to keep your core engaged and also your glutes engaged too as well. With this one, I like to do as well, like between 15 to 20 reps, really slow and controlled. Make sure you're feeling the engagement throughout the entire backside of your body so that you can get the proper engagement, get the proper strength and the proper function so that your nervous system can adapt really, really well.